How's everyone doing today? We are at Canadian Tire. Yeah. That's our plan for today. We are in Invermere. We are going camping. We've already spent one night here. I have been here in the last few weeks with Paul. I was cliff jumping. I was at the diving boards. And this week, we're just doing the same thing. Just having a good day.
That's not fair. Hey guys, my name's Connor. Today we're at Canadian Tire.
Alright Joel, what are we buying today?
Today I'm buying some Taburmafurghaf.
That looks delicious.
Yeah, I know, I can't wait. Good, play with my saccharide.
Shotgun. Right now, we're going to the Invermere skate park. We were here a few weeks ago. I got a few, sort of just went around our campground and everything. So here's a few clips from our campground. Joel, you ready for some found footage from the campground?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Zoom in more and you'll get more bokeh. What's up guys? Welcome back to another Deven Rasberry vlog. We're here in, oh my god, Radium. We just reached our campsite. We got our beautiful tent. We got the beautiful car, Miranda, who really got us here.
And then we got our boy, Billy the Bush. It's like literally one random tree with one bush.
It's pretty sick.
He's our boy. He's our boy for sure.
We're here vlogging. We're gonna go to the Radium Hot Springs. We can't take you. Actually, we can with the GoPro.
Yeah.
So see you there.
Invermere skate park's just over there. Cool skaters.
Alright, so this is the back of our car. Yeah. So we just got to Invermere skate park. Kind of repeating this, but yeah, we're just gonna go warm up, get some clips, have a good time.
So you guys might not know me. When I get to a new skate park, I like to strip before. So I'll just get naked, and you know,
It works.
It works every time, and I lined everything.
So for those who don't know, last time I was in Invermere, I actually, like 20 minutes later we came to the skate park and I sprained my thumb because it literally ruined my entire video. I'm back here today to get redemption on what I can film. We're just gonna get some clips.
Space.
Oh, I'm living my life.
This is only for the moment. For the loving bitch, we boning. I ain't never hit your phone, but I might hit it in the morning. Tell me what the fuck it is you think you came over for. I ain't doing shit if I ain't fucking a bitch around. Bitches think I'm lazy, but I'm working every day. Sleeping as the sun rises, waking as it fades. I'm a night owl on the prowl, lurking in the shade. This is only for the moment that your worries go away. ATLA to the motherfucking dollar. Pull up to the set, I'm bumping some Tame Impala. 6 motherfuckers deep, we all up in the minds. Nah, just smoke blows, you'll never find out this stronger. This feeling only lasts for a moment, for a minute, but we in it. And this is how I chose to be living. Money, clothes, women, abusing prescriptions. You other motherfuckers don't even know what you miss, babe.
Oh, I'm living my life. It's only for half these moments.
Space.
I don't live it a lie. I don't live it a lie.
Space.
Oh, I'm living my life. It's only for half these moments.
Space.
I don't live it a lie. I don't live it a lie.
Space.
Only for the moments. Feelings gonna pass its motion. Feel a rise inside. Each pulse close my hopes in. A man knows I'm frozen. His plan to hold the golden. Despite all of the flaws, he hides his most chosen. Right alongside the side, he won't open. And then there's a woman.
Alright, so we just finished a mad session at the Invermere skate park. It is like 27 degrees outside.
Actually, you shoulda.
We're all like low-key just dying. So right now we are heading to the cliff jumps that are outside of a non-disclosed location. Paul's pretty ready. That's where we're heading up to. Oof.
Keep it steady, Devin.
Yeah, come on, Devin.
When we're there, I'm just gonna have my
Red apple?
GoPro.
Yeah, turn right.
Yeah.
Yes.
I was just asking if you wanted it.
Do I even have?
All right, so we just got to the cliff jumps, so I'm switching out to that GoPro.
Feel a rise inside each pulse, close my hopes in. A man knows I'm frozen. His plan to hold the gold man.